Hey Frosty Clan, and thanks for joining the FrostySith channel today. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, then take a minute and subscribe and hit the bell button so that it's solid, so that you get notifications every time new content is uploaded to the channel, which is typically every Thursday, and then there are some supplemental content that we upload on other days of the week as well. So today we're going to dive into unboxing some new gear. All right, let's get to it. Okay. So a lot of times on the channel, it's specifically hiking and backpacking gear that we're unboxing and looking at, but because we're doing a lot of video, we're also taking a look at some of the video gear and equipment that we use. And this isn't limited to people that make YouTube videos, but if you do videos for your family or for other organizations that you participate in, then these will be helpful for you as well. So today we're going to take a look at the MOVO Shotgun Mic, and this is VXR10GY is the model number. So let's dive in and take a look at the components and then listen to the audio. So let's see, we've got the cold shoe mount, we've got the speaker cable, and so this is what I use on my Lumix when I mount it on that, and I suppose I would use it on the Osmo action camera as well if I were doing that. Then we've got a dead cat with a foam insert to keep wind noise down, and the shotgun mic itself, you know, this is it. So in the studio we would probably use it without the dead cat, and then when you have wind, which I certainly do here where I live, then for outside environments I would put this on it to keep down the wind noise. So that connects like that. This slides into the cold shoe mount on your device and then tightens down with this. And then that goes in there, and this goes into the recording device. So it's really straightforward. There's another non-coiled cable, a bag, the infamous silica gel, you've got what to do if you're not happy with the product, and an instruction booklet, which basically just walks through the things that I just mentioned. Okay, so pretty simple. Now let's take a listen to the difference without the mic versus with the mic on. And we're going to use it in the studio. I guess I got the clamp around the dead cat. So we're going to leave the dead cat in here, mount this. Yeah, I should have. Mount this to the camera, plug it all up, have a listen. So, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. The little cat climbed the tree right. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, this is the audio with the shotgun mic in place. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The little cat climbed up the tree. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The little cat climbed the tree. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The little cat climbed up the tree. So the distance from me to the recording device is unchanged. All I did was go plug the shotgun mic up on it. So hopefully that sounds a little bit better. And the more I use it, you know, I'll get back with a follow-up video on if there's any issues with the product and kind of go from there. This is a pretty economical solution and generally gets good marks. So hopefully it's going to accomplish the things that I need it to do, and it's compatible with a lot of devices, not just mirrorless or DSLR cameras, but cell phones, tablets, computers, pretty much anything that takes a 3.5mm jack that you might need audio on. So I know that was a short video today. We'll follow up with another video later, and I mean, if there's any issues, and if there's not, I'll just keep using it, and this will probably be the last video you see on this mic until I get a different one, and we can compare those. So anyway, I hope that was helpful for you, and thanks for joining. As I mentioned in the Teaser Tuesday for this month, we are getting ready to go on some backcountry adventures. So stay tuned for those, and then while we're doing that, there's just going to be a series of these sort of new gear and technology type videos showing up on the channel for the next several weeks. But please tune in and watch till the end, and hit the like button if you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and hit the bell. Thanks again for your time and for joining. Tune in again next week for new content. And remember, get up, get out, live a little. Thanks. See ya.